sector of the economy which is completely satisfied with their sales during the pandemic. This sector is the Kirana store sector. Age-old shops with old uncles selling all the necessities are part of every colony in India. The shops are not just the places where people buy goods, but also the places where people meet, exchange information and create new relationships. With the advancement of technology, people started going to hypermarkets, seeing the fancy shops and their discounts. But with the pandemic looming over our heads, people have reported back to their roots. Kirana stores have taken up various measures like avoid closed spaces, billing in 1 minute, 6 feet gap between every customer and they're not. The number of people coming in the stores has gone up along with the basket value. The shops have played a very important role in the procurement of daily items like bread and milk. Along with that, various logistics and technology companies are coming to the stores so that they can sustain in the long run. There are various benefits of the stores. They are located near one's house. They deliver at home at the convenient time. They also offer a friendly service where buyers and sellers know that it is the mutual relationship of trust and love. With the panic buying and going on and self-isolation being implemented, in one night the amount of money people have spent on groceries has gone up. People have stopped going to the malls and are only going to the Kirana stores. Food traffic went up by 42%. The store literally runs the country of 1.3 billion people. E-commerce only caters to 120 million people, and the obstacles faced by various online delivery platforms is the sole reason why people have resorted to their neighboring stores and not to this only delivery platforms. A delivery boy of Swiggy infected more than 70 houses in the locality. All these issues pertaining to one's health cannot be ignored. The unorganized sector is taking a boom. Large supermarkets which talk about technology advancement in marketing and nowhere in picture as the company are trying to sustain themselves. The government has allowed 51% FDI in multi-brand retail stores, but the Modi government reduced it. Since the beginning of the pandemic, either online mode of shopping is going on or the Kirana stores, since the distributors are unable to bring supplies to the huge stores. The stores are flourishing. People actually find it convenient to walk a short distance to pick up their daily necessities. Various Kirana stores are working with Facebook and Jio in order to equip them in the right technological ways. Social distancing is the way to move forward and the stores are now getting equipped with that. It is true that the supply chain is also breaking for the sector, but the truth is that these people have emotional connections with their suppliers and hence the suppliers tend to cater to these people on time. A lot of panic buying has been going on in India which is boosting the revenue of the sector. If this age-old stores can go towards the path of digitization, every business can become the one business that survives 2020, they can survive any other lockdown. This is a unique situation for everyone and those who adapt themselves will only triumph. There has been a 40% spike in the consumer spending at Kirana stores during the lockdown, and people of the country might not have enough money, but they would sustain themselves no matter what. They would buy their daily essentials and continue this chain.